Good evening, everyone. So today we assembled here to discuss about the design thinking based addressing the 6G communication challenges. Okay, so let us quickly brief about the 6G communication. 6G is followed by 5G, where you know very well that 5G or 6G, 4G, there is something of generation, first generation, second generation, like we have some generation, and sixth generation we are going to discuss today. Actually, sixth generation is anticipated to come, expected to be in on 2030 only. Still research is going on, and the main thing advantage of 6G communication is it increases speed and low latency and wider bandwidth. These are all some advantages, though it has some advantages, right? Probably in every technology we will have some challenges also, right? So in wireless communication, this 6G, though we have some advanced technique, we have some problems in this technology also. So let us discuss on how we can address these challenges in our design thinking based approach. So we are all studying the concepts in subjects or even topics, everything we are dealing with the design thinking concept. So let us give the solution or some idea for 6G communication challenges. So the forum is yours, you can discuss and let us conclude finally.
So the first is empathy part. In the empathy part, we have to apply the 6G is applying in certain areas like healthcare and autonomous driving, and also in the healthcare there must be, we want your real-time data for the remote surgery, and as well as in the auto driving, we have to want the precise data to prevent the accidents. So and the third one is the everyday users. We must have some secure chats and voice mails, etc. So here also the 6G plays a vital role. So the empathy applies like the 6G communication is vast in every world. So it applies in healthcare side, and as well as the vehicle automation and what is the height crucial data is taking. These are in that application it is applied. So this is the concept of empathy part, and the second one is about the different part. So there's a lot of challenges is facing in the 6G communication. The first thing is spectrum scarcity and efficiency. It is damaged due to the we have not mitigating the tetrahertz and sub-tetra frequencies. So while handling the tetrahertz and sub-tetra frequencies correctly, we can easily rectify that problem. And the second one is about energy consumption. The high level data is transferring, so the high volume data it aligns for a green communication. So the third one is about the network and the security part. It is a critical thing. It is to applying in the embedded area and the AI driven area and cloud computing, and as well as quantum transmitting data. So it is very critical one in the network and security area. And the fourth one is about interoperability. Interoperability means there is a vital communication source like legal technologies like 4G, 5G, and as well as the IoT also. So it is also it is also to leverage the data speed is must be a critical one. So this is also one thing, and another one is about the cost and the infrastructure. So here we have to apply the process by the cycle of first is development and deployment, and the third one is about implementation. So it takes some extremely high costable. So it also a critical thing in this concept, and additionally there is a digital divide like in the rural and the urban areas. So we have to make a bridge gap between the rural and urban areas. So we can easily increase the uses of 6G communication in the urban and rural areas. So this is the different part.
extra special and better signal, so that there will be a proper coverage of network, and there will be network coverage is very safe. After that, safe security, future safe security, which means we should secure the communication from the future powerful computers, because in future there will be very powerful computers, so we should save the communications. And after that, eco-friendly hardware, building some chips and devices by using this eco-friendly method, so it is very useful by using renewable energy. And after that, last is mix of networks or hybrid networks, like collecting of satellites, drones and networks to the ground. So communication is everywhere in this last one.
With this idea, in the prototype stage, industries build small test modules for 6G ideas before they fully roll out. For example, 60 test beds are used in factories or hospitals for ultra-low latency or redundancy. And terahertz communication prototypes are tested for super fast short range data, and then it comes to reconfigurable intelligent service, which helps and boosts the coverage of the signal where it is weakened. And to save the energy, we use green base station powered by solar, which is used in or tried in rural areas, and AI driven systems which manages the bandwidth in real time, and hybrid satellite plus 60 links connect the remote regions. And here finally the quantum safe security prototypes ensure the future proof encryptions.
Coming to the testing part, as I said, it should meet the industrial standards. We can test it for not only the bandwidth, for the ultra low latency, reliability, scalability, security, and etc. From testing from the lab simulations to digital twins, we need to move to the outside fields to test, and in the local areas, we should test the resilience and by the building coverages. And the main thing is the interoperability, like 4G, 5G, IoTs and satellite networks should be verified by connecting to this network. And now the industries are specifically, some industries may demand microsecond synchronization, etc. And the main thing, we should not only focus for the bandwidth or fast. We should be seeing another side, carbon emissions. We should be seeing the carbon emissions and from the ground stations and the RI systems, etc. 60 should not only be technically robust, it should be secure and able to deploy for development.
Okay, so all you have shared your points about the 6G communication. And again,